to check your Pluxee card usage limits. 1. Open the Pluxee app, formerly Sodexo, on your phone. 2. In using your registered mobile number or email address. 3. From the home screen, tap on My Cards. 4. Select the Pluxee card you want to check. 5. Tap Manage Card or Card Settings. 6. Look for the section labeled Usage Limits or Transaction Limits. 7. Here you'll see details such as your daily, weekly, or monthly spending limit, maximum transaction amount, and available balance. 8. If limits are adjustable, tap Edit to change them if your card type allows. 9. If the option is locked, it means your employer or Pluxee policy controls your spending cap. 10. You can also contact Pluxee customer support